Good afternoon, everyone. It is a nice sunny Saturday afternoon, and I'm just being outside, enjoying moments with nature. Walked around, did some photographs, found some really interesting and unique mushrooms. And right now, I'm just taking a moment just to be, just to breathe, just to be in the present, just here and now, nothing else matters. There's no task that needs to be done. I can just sit here with nature, listen to the birds, embrace the moment, the stillness. Just be. Let my mind wander with a little curiosity. Gently walk and observe what I see in the forest. Check on my little trees that I planted. There's a little one right here. It's amazing, there's so many I planted this little. I rescue them from the side of the road. And then they grow up to be like that. Otherwise they would have been kind of just butchered down, cut down from the side of the road. So I enjoy kind of saving those little trees. See, there's another one here. Another one back there. Not all of them make it. But the ones they do, like this one, is pretty happy. I enjoy coming up to the trees, looking at them, how amazing they are. There's a bathhouse. And just breathe with the tree. I like to touch the tree with my hand, with my forehead, and just imagine breathing in with the same cycle as the tree breathes, collecting energy from the bottom of the earth, feeling the roots. Then walking. I enjoy touching the trees and just say, hi, I love you, I'm here, I'm thinking about you, you are majestic and beautiful. The little birdhouse. It's a little compost pile from the chickens. Some trees don't make it. That one fallen out. But it still had green on it, so we left it. We'll see what happens to it. Could be a nursery log. Other things might start to grow off of it. there's some other nice little mushrooms right here. This one right high. I don't know what kind these are. I have to look them up. But they are really pretty. After a lot of rain, mushrooms like to come out. And these guys are super happy, popping up all over the place. Look at them. They're just happy little mushrooms. Make a point to be gentle with nature. Be thankful for the opportunity to walk in the forest, to live close to the forest. And just notice the crispness of the air, the gentleness of the sound. The scent of the trees, the ferns, the moist air and the ground. Sometimes there's obstacles like these. You have to go across. But just keep going. Take your time to be in the moment and notice the one color of the tree. That's a nice picture. The stillness. Notice the love that nature provides. Thank you for being here with me, walking along the trees, listening to the birds, the sound of nature, and just being in the moment with the gentle breeze. Sending you lots of love and joy and happiness. Until next time.